Now that you are more familiar with the elements of organizational structure, let's turn our attention to some of the more common designs, starting with the simple structure. As you can see in the image on this slide, the simple structure is relatively flat, with only 2 or 3 levels in the hierarchy. The manager, or the leader, is often the owner of the company. Simple structures are characterized by a low degree of departmentalization and a low degree of formalization. They usually have wide spans of control where managers oversee 8 to 12 employees. And the authority in these organizations is centralized in one role. Many companies start as a simple structure and evolve into something different as they grow in size and influence. The advantages of a simple structure are: 1, it enables the organization to be flexible and respond quickly to environmental demands. 2, it allows organizations to maintain clear accountability. Who should report to whom, who does what, when, and how. And 3rd, it can minimize the cost of people. The major disadvantage of a simple structure is that it's only useful for small organizations. As a company grows, low formalization and high centralization can overload the top leader. A CEO of a company with 100,000 employees cannot make all of the decisions. It's impossible. Another disadvantage is that it can be risky to place so much responsibility on one person. If the top leader is sick or on vacation, the rest of the organization may be at a standstill. When one person is making all of the decisions, those decisions may very well be impacted by that person's biases, which is another problem.